All right, let's smash this.
It's Wednesday. Do you feel on track to start waterproofing today?
Yes. Yeah.
I do feel.
But Keith isn't so sure.
So you've still got, what, 3 or 4 hours carpentry before you can start shooting?
Yeah, 3 hours. We're, 3 hours.
So you're going to move the window.
Move the window.
Pack this whole wall out.
Pack that wall.
Still got triple grips to go on all your ceiling or bugle screws.
Yeah, bugle that. Frame up. Got to put the sheet down.
I reckon you aren't going to be sheeting until probably 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Lunchtime.
I don't think so.
Are you at all nervous that you're going to be really, really pushed for time?
This is where I don't fall victim to the drama. You know, we work through it and we know that we need to get to certain points and, yeah, I'm confident that we'll finish. We will. And it will be to a high level and it will be a beautiful bathroom.
After a confusing couple of days nutting out their design, Luke and Jasmin's bathroom will now feature VJ panelling on 2 walls with white subway tiles on the rest. The white vanity is out, a black version is in, offset by brass tapware with a decorative tile on the floor.
We've had a bit more of a think about our house, and rather than thinking of it being a 1910 Melbourneian bungalow, we're thinking of it more as a Queenslander. Bright, fresh, airy. So I think we're going to start going in that direction. High-end Queenslander in Melbourne. Yeah.
While Jasmin seems to be confused by the judge's comments,
Yeah.